In this video, we will cover how to remove an Okta Active Directory agent from the Okta admin dashboard. If the Okta Active Directory agent has been uninstalled and is later reinstalled using the same agent server, a duplicate entry for the agent server may be visible to Okta admins when navigating to the agent's menu under the respective Active Directory integration. To remove an Okta Active Directory agent from the Okta admin dashboard, we will navigate to Directory and then Directory Integrations. Select your Active Directory domain and select the Agents tab. From here, click on the Actions drop-down menu next to the agent that you would like to remove and select Deactivate Agent. The agent status will refresh to reflect that the agent entry is now deactivated. Now, click on the Actions drop-down menu again and this time select Delete Agent. A message will be displayed to confirm that the agent entry has been removed from the instance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.